Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth Microfiber Drying Towel.
This is by far the most luxurious microfiber towel I have ever touched. It is so soft and fluffy. I genuinely want it as a bath towel, not just a towel to clean the car. So this is a really thick microfiber towel. It's around 1 inch thick and it is a 70-30 high quality blend. A lot of others are a lower quality like this one here, which possibly could be an 80-20. A few key features on this is the really nice silk trim as well to avoid scratching. You can see how big this is compared to this car. Honestly, it holds over a gallon and I was skeptical at first, but after being able to wipe down this whole car, I have no doubt in my mind that it can definitely do that. This 36 by 25 towel, definitely worth the investment. You guys can't tell, but this thing is soaked. It is so heavy right now, full of all that water.
So guys, I think it's fantastic, but that's just my point of view.